Act as best scriptwriter and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content, and remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words, remove timestamps. 22. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. Leaks, surprising. Price and next-gen features revealed. YouTube HTTPS, www.youtube.com, watch. VZLVCSY77M transcript, 0:0. The Garmin Fenix series has long been synonymous with rugged durability, advanced features, and exceptional performance. With the release of the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin has once again raised the bar, offering a smartwatch that caters to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and tech aficionados alike. 19. In this detailed overview, we will explore the groundbreaking features, design enhancements, and performance improvements that make the Fenix 8 Pro a standout in the world of smartwatches. Design and display. A perfect blend of ruggedness and elegance. The Fenix 8 Pro continues Garmin's tradition of producing watches that can withstand the harshest conditions. 0:41. Available in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, the watch is designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes comfortably. The refined design offers improved ergonomics, ensuring a more comfortable fit without compromising on durability. One of the most notable upgrades is the introduction of a new micro-LED display. This display technology offers brighter colors, better contrast, and energy efficiency compared to previous models. 01:08. Whether you're out on a sunny trail or in a dimly lit environment, the micro-LED display ensures that your stats, maps, and notifications are always clear and legible. GPS and navigation precision at its best. Garmin has equipped the Fenix 8 Pro with an enhanced GPS system that incorporates multi-band GPS technology. 1:29. This advancement allows the watch to tap into multiple satellite systems, providing more reliable and accurate positioning even in challenging environments like dense forests, mountains, or urban canyons. Whether you're trail running, hiking, or navigating through city streets, the Fenix 8 Pro ensures that you stay on track with minimal signal dropouts. 3:01:49. Battery life, power that lasts. Battery life is a critical factor for outdoor adventurers and athletes who rely on their devices for extended periods. The Fenix 8 Pro addresses this need with impressive battery performance. The watch is equipped with solar charging capabilities, allowing it to harness the power of the sun to extend battery life during outdoor activities. 02:12. This feature is particularly beneficial for those embarking on long hikes, multi-day trips, or extended training sessions, reducing the need to frequently recharge the device. Health and fitness tracking, advanced metrics for optimal performance. The Fenix 8 Pro is not just a smartwatch, it's a comprehensive health and fitness companion. 02:33. The watch features an upgraded heart rate monitor with new sensors, providing more accurate readings during workouts and daily activities. This enhancement allows for better tracking of your cardiovascular health and fitness levels. In addition to heart rate monitoring, the Fenix 8 Pro offers advanced sleep tracking capabilities. By analyzing your sleep patterns, the watch provides insights into the quality of your rest and how it impacts your performance the next day. 030. This feature is invaluable for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to optimize their recovery and overall well-being. Music and connectivity. Stay entertained and connected. For those who prefer to leave their phones behind during workouts or outdoor adventures, the Fenix 8 Pro offers built-in music storage. This feature allows you to load your favorite playlists or podcasts directly onto the watch, enabling you to enjoy entertainment without the need for a separate device. 03:29. The watch also supports enhanced connectivity features, including improved syncing with Garmin's ecosystem. This integration ensures that your detailed workout data, training load, recovery insights, and advanced sleep metrics are easily accessible and analyzable, helping you make informed decisions about your fitness journey. Safety and emergency. Features: peace of mind in the outdoors. 03.52. Safety is paramount when venturing into the great outdoors, and the Fenix 8 Pro is equipped with features designed to provide peace of mind. The watch includes incident detection and emergency SOS capabilities, which can automatically alert emergency contacts or services with your precise location in critical situations. 4.11. This added layer of security is invaluable for outdoor enthusiasts exploring remote areas where help may be far away. Customization and accessories. Tailor the watch to your style. Garmin understands that personalization is important to users, and the Fenix 8 Pro offers various customization options. The watch is compatible with a range of bands, allowing you to choose the style that best suits your preferences. 0436. Whether you prefer a rugged silicone band for outdoor activities or a more refined leather band for everyday wear, the Fenix 8 Pro can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. Pricing and availability. Investing in quality. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is positioned as a premium smartwatch, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. 456. While the price point may be higher than some other smartwatches on the market, the value it offers in terms of performance, durability, and functionality makes it a worthwhile investment for those who demand the best from their devices.